Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back. In today's video, we're going to go over Ethereum Classic. So our update here for Ethereum Classic, we are currently trading at $31.81 on the weekly chart. Again, kind of rephrasing it, we've had a impressive run here recently, climbing up to retest our area of resistance at $34.18. Now, the latest candle itself, we can see very bullish momentum. We can see very healthy swing candles, or these wicks at the very top and at the very bottom, but mainly in the middle itself. And we can see that the bulls are taking over the marketplace here for Ethereum Classic for 4 weeks in a row. We can see these histograms, these momentums building up. So it's very confident here that we are seeing hopefully multiple retests and breaking above the resistance line. We are still anticipating this golden ratio where a smaller moving averages crosses above a higher moving average. That will give us a long-term sentiment, a long-term hint that this bullish marketplace or this bullish trend is going to continue on. Now, with the RSI considered at 81% here, this is again in an overbought territory. That means in the next couple of weeks, we may see that natural pullback come down and retest certain areas of support. So long as we're keeping above our 50%, which is at $26.43, the bullish momentum is going to continue. Now, taking a look at our daily time frame here, we can see Ethereum Classic is showing signs of consolidation. So previously in our video that we made yesterday, we did kind of see a breakout from this consolidation, but then we're seeing the price kind of retrace back to it. So long as the price again does hold within the 78% of our fib, which is at $28.71, then we are going to continue rising in this channel where we're continuously making a lot of higher highs and a lot of lower high swing candles. But because the breakout itself wasn't so drastic, we were looking for higher volume itself, and we're looking for darker momentum in terms of our histograms or these bars. We're still not quite there yet. However, again, this may be another temporary pause until we're able to break and close above the $31.97. So depending on that, this again may be that consolidation. We're just waiting for the bulls. We're waiting some interest to push us even higher. Going into the immediate short term for 4 hours, we are still kind of playing this out. It does kind of seem like it has weakened. Definitely let me know in the comments down below. This may have been a false breakout, but we were discussing yesterday about this double bottom chart pattern where we see this W, and essentially that would be a break above the resistance line here at 31.97. We did see this gorgeous green candle here. However, we're kind of going below resistance. In order for us to kind of break through that, we needed an ultimate test on this resistance to turn into support and then continue on to our next target area. But it seems like the volume itself is slowly coming. People are profiting from this area as the high is $33.50. I can't blame them. And we're seeing multiple bearish features here. Now, our immediate terms of support here is going to be $31.30. So if this support does break, we can always rely on our moving averages to kind of give us that area of support and kind of take a look on how that reacts. A few, again, bearish signals I'm seeing in the chart. We see this crossover. So our RSI crossing below our signal line does trigger that selling aspect of it, but most importantly, our MACD indicator is getting lighter in the histograms, meaning momentum is kind of cooling down here, and the bulls or the bears are kind of taking over the marketplace. The previous candlestick as well in the 4-hour time frame is kind of like a doji candlestick. It all depends in the next couple of candlesticks, especially in this 4-hour one, to kind of see if the bulls are taking over. Then we ultimately know that they may be coming down to an area of support and possibly breaking this one. So based on all of these timeframes here, I'm kind of thinking that Ethereum Classic is going to go into a consolidation phase in the daily time frame. We have seen it before in this upwards channel. However, with that breakout wasn't strong enough, so we may be consolidating here around $32 to the lowest $27 until we see that breakout, either an uptrend or we're seeing that oversold territory in that downtrend or that correction on the weekly time frame. But let me know what your thoughts are down below. Thank you guys so much for supporting. You know who you are that support my videos every single day. I really appreciate it. I'm so glad to be back for you guys, and I'll catch you in the next video. Bye.